index CPI cooled down further to its 4-month low of plus 5.2% year-on-year, beating consensus estimates of plus 5.3% year-on-year. The wholesale price index WPI grew 2.4% year-on-year in December 24 versus plus 1.9% year-on-year in November 24 and 0.9% year-on-year in December 23. The country's total merchandise trade deficit stood at USD 21.9 billion in December 24 versus USD 32.8 billion in November 24. Rail Vikas Nigam received 2 letters of acceptances from BSNL worth Rs 9,613 crores and Rs 3,622 crores respectively. JSW Energy received a letter of intent for the 3.6 gigawatt KSK Mahanandi thermal power plant and approval for its resolution plan for KSK Mahanandi Power. IRFC was selected as the lowest bidder to finance Rs 3,167 crores for the development of a coal block in Jharkhand. Premier Energy's subsidiaries received and accepted multiple orders totaling to Rs 1,460 crores from 2 major independent power producers and others. Azad Engineering received an order worth Rs 960 crores from G. Vernova International, USA for supplying airfoils for advanced gas turbine engines. HFCL secured an order worth Rs 2,501 crores from BSNL for the middle mile network of BharatNet Phase 3 in Punjab. Citigroup Markets sold 0.6% stake in Yatharth Hospital through block deals. Quant Mutual Small Cap Fund sold 0.8% stake in One MobiKwik system through bulk deals. The Government Pension Fund Global sold 0.8% stake in Home First Finance through bulk deals. Arunaben Bhatia sold 0.5% stake in Easy Trip Planners, while Atha Samidhi Ventures Private Limited bought 1.3% stake through bulk deals. Stay tuned for more such interesting videos.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.